Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make PhonePe account full guide. Open the PhonePe app and tap Sign Up to begin. Enter your mobile number, confirm the OTP, and create a secure UPI PIN when prompted. I'll walk you through adding your bank, verifying details, and setting preferences for payments and security. Stay with me, and you'll be ready to send and receive money confidently in just a few simple steps. In this video, I will explain how to make PhonePe account full guide. After verifying with the OTP, choose your bank and allow PhonePe to fetch account details securely. Follow prompts to confirm the correct account and complete linking. Create a UPI PIN using your debit card details when asked, and remember it for safe transactions. I'll share tips to troubleshoot common verification hiccups and ensure your bank connection is reliable and quick. In this video, I will explain how to make PhonePe account full guide. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a handy gadget for hands-free reminders about bills and payments. It pairs nicely with a digital payments routine. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make PhonePe account full guide. Once your bank is linked, enable biometric or passcode protection for quick, secure access, and add beneficiaries by mobile number or UPI ID to streamline payments. I'll guide you through recharges, bill payments, and using offers to reduce costs while keeping transactions safe. By the end, you'll know how to send money, request payments, and manage payment history with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.